It's the 2 on the shoe DIY week, and I have with me this shoe that I want to design. Saw this shoe online and I thought to replicate it on my shoe. All I need is this ostrich feather, this white spray, and this lacquer spray. And I also need with me for trimming and for attaching, as I will have to work with a monotone shade. So let's do this. So this is the spread version, the white spray shoe. You can see clearly. So my shoe is ready. That's all it needs. If you want to, you could put pearls. If you want to, you could put pearls on this part around or not. It all depends on you. I decided to work with white because the shoe was already black and I had white ostrich feather, so I decided to work with that and spread the shoe white and make it all pretty. So this is the result, and you could also decide to trim off these edges. I'm going to let it mine be that way, but you could decide to trim this edge so it just levels up to this side and then let this side fly, just that. And same thing to this side, or not, or you could just wear it the way I'm going to wear it. So this is it for this shoe. Is as simple as ABC. This shoe had a pattern, so I decided to follow it up to the front part here. So I'm actually going to put a pearl there. For now I'm going to wear it like that, but I intend to put a color. I'm not sure of what it is going to be yet, whether pearls or gold or black, or probably just be changing once in a while. But this is what it is right now, and I hope you like it, and I hope you're going to try it too. So this is it, the ostrich feather shoe. Thank you guys for watching. Do give me a thumbs up for this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already, and turn on the post notification bell so you could be one of the first few who get to see amazing videos and enjoy them. So also share, as I will appreciate that. Thanks guys so much. Thank you. Love and kisses. Bye.